Welcome to Pydle Day 88. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. There's usually there's always a cute picture on the right that you need to recreate by writing your Python code. Today's Pydle is a martini with a little olive emoji there. So have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, you want to learn how to play, just stick around because I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was quite a simple one. It says fries, so it looks like a little McDonald's packet of fries, just a few fries sticking out there. So let's just create our two loops. So we do for, it doesn't really matter the order, for x in range 5. This is 5 by 5 pixels for y in range 5. Okay, so let's deal with the white and the yellow row. So if y equals 0, then we do Pydle. Pydle is our function we use to fill in the pixels, and it's simply going to be x and y. One of the arguments is an optional character, which we don't need for today's puzzle. Okay, now we're going to have a inline if statement. So white if. So what is the condition? So it's basically odd, the odd numbers for x. So that's be even 0 to 4, and this is 1 and 3. So we need to say take the modulus of x to, you can either say equals 1, but if you just leave it like that, it will actually return true when it is odd. So 0 returns false and 1 returns true. So else yellow. Let's quickly test that. And there's our line of fry sticking out. All we need now is else statement, and that is just for the red pixels. Well, x comma y, no character, and red. Okay, that was nice and quick and easy. Have a go at solving today's Pydle, the martini, and I will see you again tomorrow with a solution.